Hello guys, my name is Siti Endang Zulaiha and also my friend Rilikani Lamsari. We will read Green Champions written by Regan Dewan and then illustrated by Samim Akhter and also published by Let's Read Asia. So, let's start. Enjoy listening.
Ludibakchara is a Chakma indigenous village in the Rangamati district of Bangladesh. There, Chakma indigenous children grow up close to nature, roaming the hills.
Alok Chakma and Pibir Chakma were good friends who lived in Ludibakchara. They were both students in the 8th grade at Hazakura Secondary School. The school was quite far from their home.
One winter morning, Alok and Bibir started their journey to school together. After a short walk, they took a boat ride the rest of the way.
While going by boat, Alok Chakma pointed to a neem tree. You know, Pibir, my father told me that the neem tree has many medicinal properties. He said, brushing your teeth with a neem twig can kill germs.
Bathing with neem leaves is also good for our health. I once had itchy skin, and my father gave me a bath with neem leaves to treat it. Alok continued.
At school, their teacher, Miss Sumari Chakma, talked about trees. She said, trees provide us with shade and give us oxygen. Trees help us in many ways.
Bieber said, Madam, this morning on our way to school, we saw a few neem trees. My father says that neem trees are very useful.
Alok said, Madam, next month soon, we will plant lots of trees around the school. Trees are very beneficial for the environment.
That's right, Alok, said Miss Sumari. The rainy season is still a few months away. We can plant flowers in the schoolyard after a few days.
It was no sooner said than done. Miss Sumari bought marigolds, periwinkles, and frangipani saplings from the market.
Together, they planted them in the schoolyard.
Miss Sumari then said, it's not enough to just plant the saplings. We also have to take care of them. We need to water them regularly. Everyone said, okay, madam, we will remember to water them.
They watered the plants daily and the plants began to grow.
Everyone in the village was so inspired by what the students had done that they decided not to cut down any of the old trees and plants. This would make the village even more beautiful.
15 years later, Alok Chakma is an environmentalist and Bibir Chakma is a photographer. They can now see that the surroundings of the earth are covered in greenery. Several fruit trees they had planted many years ago have borne fruit.
The people in the village, both young and old, worked together to create a library among the greenery. They wanted their community to thrive through education. Alok Chakma and Pibir Chakma have been working hard on this initiative. They are true green champions.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.